The world around us is evolving at a very fast pace with real-time transactions, real-time customer feedback, real-time customer communications on social forums, blogs, etc. This has increased the speed of the business environment by hundreds of times compared to what it was, say, 15 years ago. With such speed comes chaos and variability.
The volatility of the business environments of today are here to stay. To make the most of this chaos while minimizing the business impact, we can no longer rely on the business information systems of 15 years ago. And if you look at the business information systems of today, the structured data schema that we have evolves every 2 to 3 years. That means that the nature of the data it captures is largely static. This is more representative of the constants in an equation, where the left-hand side is the business outcome, maybe growth, risk, whatever it is, right? And the flux or the variability or the volatility that we are talking about is actually being captured, but not in these traditional information systems and not in the structured form as well. They're present in the unstructured form. And this is not being used for decision making today, leading to, this has actually been ignored, leading to suboptimal decisions, wrong conclusions, etc. So the bottom line is that the business information systems of today are ill-equipped to help us in this volatile environment that we find ourselves in. 90% of the meaningful information for any decision is actually present in the unstructured form. Of its 70% is actually outside of our business environment. When such a large quantum of information is actually excluded from a decision-making process, you would come down to wrong conclusions or worse, wrong decisions. But actually, this information is actually being used in the decision-making process. They are actually contributed by managers who overrule the decisions or the recommendations of your traditional BI tools which do not have access to this information. So such meaningful information could actually include news articles, could include blogs, some competitor websites. It includes information I heard from a conference, interactions with customers, policy makers, emails, anything like that, right? And when such an overruling is actually being made by the manager, we call it the manager's gut feeling or his experience, and which is why a very good manager is today super critical in any decision-making process. If we can tap into the zillions of data points that are available in the unstructured form to make or support decisions, the hundreds of thousands of decisions that have been made in a modern business today, then the control one could have over business performance and variability could be phenomenal. Today, organizations have acquired mammoth potentials and proportions, and we have people being spread across the globe. A single wrong decision, a single wrong move by anyone at any level in the organization could potentially mean billions in lost revenues, opportunities, customer opinion, and brand value. In such a scenario, it actually makes a lot of sense to make significant strategic investments into tools that are more suited to the business environment of today.